Rub the rim of a cocktail glass with a fresh lemon slice. Then dip into crumbled sugared pie crust. Set the glass aside to chill. Then in a cocktail shaker with ice, add a tablespoon of powdered sugar. Pour in an ounce of fresh lemon juice, an ounce of white rum, an ounce of limoncello, and an ounce of heavy cream. Shake until well chilled, then strain into your cocktail glass and garnish with some whipped cream and several slices of candied lemon peel. And you're ready to enjoy the Lemon Chiffon Pie Martini, created and brought to you by MartiniDiva.com.